Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to increase your search result in Google Chrome. So without any wait, let's start the video. First of all, go to your Chrome browser. Now search for something that you want. As you can see, you're showing some short results. Now click on Setting, and go to Search Setting. Then increase the result per page as you like. Then save, and click OK. Now search again. As you can see, now there are showing a lot of results. If this video was helpful to you, then please like this video and make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to get all our updated videos. Thank you for watching this video.